If your feet burn at night, if your hands tingle and go numb, if you've been told your nerve pain is just something you have to learn to live with, I want you to really hear this. What's on your fork every single day may be quietly making it better or quietly making it worse. And most people have no idea which one they're doing. And I'm Dr. Mauldin, and I've spent years helping people get to the root of their neuropathy. Today I'm giving you 7 foods that genuinely support your nerves, and one very common food I need you to watch out for. Stick with me all the way to the end because number 2 is the one almost everybody skips. Let me give you the quick why, because once you understand this, everything else I say is going to make sense. Your nerves are living tissue and they have a protective coating wrapped around them. I want you to picture the insulation around an electrical wire. When that insulation is healthy, the signal travels clean and quiet. But when that coating gets inflamed, starved of the right nutrients, or bathed in high blood sugar day after day, the wire gets exposed and the signal turns noisy. That noise is exactly what you feel as the tingling, the burning, and the numbness. Now, food can't replace your doctor, and nothing I'm about to tell you is a cure. But the right foods do 3 things your nerves absolutely depend on. They lower inflammation, they deliver the raw materials your nerves use to repair themselves, and they help steady your blood sugar. And if you find this helpful, do me a quick favor and subscribe so I can keep being your health detective on all of this. All right, let's get into them. Number 1 is fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, mackerel. These are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, and omega-3s are one of the actual building blocks your body uses to build and maintain that protective coating around the nerve. On top of that, they're strongly anti-inflammatory, which helps calm the noise in a nerve that's already irritated. And here's the honest truth, you do not need expensive fresh salmon to get this. A simple can of sardines is one of the cheapest, easiest wins in the entire grocery store. Aim for 2 or 3 servings of fatty fish a week and you've already given your nerves something they've probably been missing. Number 2, and this is the one people skip, so please don't. Dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. There are 2 big reasons your nerves love them. First, B vitamins, especially folate. Your nerves literally run on B vitamins, and greens are packed with them. Second, magnesium. Magnesium helps calm overactive nerve signaling, and low magnesium is one of the most common things I see in people struggling with nerve issues. A big handful of greens a day in a salad or a smoothie is one of the highest value things you can do for your nerves, and it costs you almost nothing. Number 3, eggs. And specifically the yolk. Stop throwing that yolk away today. Eggs are one of the best whole food sources of vitamin B12, and B12 is the nerve vitamin. A deficiency in B12 can directly cause the exact numbness and tingling that so many of you are feeling right now. The yolk also gives you choline, which your nerves use to send their signals cleanly. So please don't fear the yolk. That golden center is where the nerve nutrition actually lives. Number 4, pumpkin seeds. A small handful is absolutely packed with magnesium, again that calming mineral your nerves crave, plus zinc, which your body leans on for tissue repair and healing. They're the perfect keep them in the cupboard snack that works for you instead of against you. And here's a simple trick. Sprinkle them right on top of those leafy greens from number 2, and now you've stacked 2 nerve-friendly foods into one single bite. Number 5, berries, with blueberries right at the top of the list. Here's something most people don't realize. A big part of nerve damage is driven by something called oxidative stress. The easiest way to picture it is rust, slowly forming on the nerve. Berries are one of the richest sources of antioxidants we have, and antioxidants are exactly what help fight that rust. And because berries are low on the sugar scale compared to most sweet foods, they let you satisfy a sweet tooth without spiking your blood sugar, which matters enormously for your nerves. A handful a day, fresh or frozen. Number 6, turmeric. The active compound inside it, called curcumin, is one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatories in the world, and remember, inflammation is one of the biggest drivers of nerve pain. But here's the detective tip that makes all the difference. You have to pair your turmeric with just a pinch of black pepper. The pepper contains a compound that dramatically increases how much of that curcumin your body can actually absorb. Stir it into a soup, scramble it into your eggs, or mix it into a warm drink at night. Number 7, broccoli and colorful vegetables. Broccoli contains a compound that supports your body's own built-in antioxidant defenses, helping you fight that oxidative stress from the inside out. And colorful vegetables like bell peppers, carrots, and sweet potato bring you vitamin C and beta-carotene, which are more raw materials for calming and protecting the nerve. The oldest rule in nutrition still holds true right here. The more color you put on your plate, the more your nerves benefit. Now, the food I promised to warn you about. It's not really one single food. It's added sugar and refined carbohydrates, the sodas, the pastries, the white bread, the candy. Here's why it matters more than almost anything else on this list. High blood sugar is one of the most direct ways your nerves get damaged over time. You could eat every single food I just listed, but if you're spiking your blood sugar all day long, you're filling the bucket faster than you can ever empty it. For a lot of people, cutting back right here does more for their nerves than any food they add. So if you only change one thing this week, let it be this one. So let's bring it all together. There is your nerve-friendly plate. Fatty fish, dark leafy greens, eggs, pumpkin seeds, berries, turmeric, and colorful vegetables, and go easy on the added sugar. Now, I don't want you to feel like you have to overhaul your entire kitchen overnight, because that's how people give up. Just pick 2 of these foods this week. Get comfortable with them and then build from there. Your nerves repair slowly, that's simply their nature, but they do respond, and every single meal is another chance to send them the right signal instead of the wrong one. 2 quick things before you go. First, a lot of you ask me which supplements I actually trust for nerve health because let's be honest, the shelves are full of junk. I've gathered the ones I personally stand behind in my Dr. Mauldin Health Detective store, and the link is right down in the description below. You get 10% off always just for being part of this community and an extra 5% off your very first order. That means your first purchase is a full 15% off. Go take a look. Second, if this video helped you, please subscribe and hit the bell because I release videos like this every week to help you get to the root of your nerve health. And then tell me down in the comments, which of these 7 foods is already on your plate? I really do read them. I'm Dr. Mauldin. Take care of those nerves and I'll see you in the next one.